Hey Precious Squad, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are good. Thank you so much for tuning back in. If you are new here, my name is Mbali Maseko, and of course click that subscribe button so that you are part of the Precious Squad gang. Yes honey. So I did promise you guys to actually do a 3-month, well I said 2 months update on that then I'm moving into our first apartment. And boy is it amazing. So I'm gonna give you all the pros and cons, right? And yeah, I was supposed to record this with her, but she has work to do, and I was just like, you know, let me just record this because I'm in the mood. And your girl looking all natural and all pretty, guys. Look at my crown. Before we even get to the video, like, can we just like zoom in all this? Like, I thought of putting on makeup today and I was just like, oh, I'm not going anyway, let me just come to you guys all natural. Guys, my hair is growing. Like, my hair is growing. I haven't done it in like, I haven't gone to the salon to actually do it in like almost 2 months. I've been just treating it at home, and am I not happy with it? My skin is popping, guys. I've been actually doing just the clay mask, my gentle magic mask. I had a few, I think I had like 2 pimples here, and now like they're fading off. Like, oh my god, I'm just like so happy. Like, I'm gonna take it. And yes, you will realize that I don't have nails. I only have 4 nails because I'm recording this while we're still in lockdown. So baby girl cannot do anything, no go anywhere. The struggle is real. So anyway, right then I moved into the apartment, guys. Grab your drinks. Lockdown, you guys don't have drinks. Yay, as you see, guys, go to the fridge, grab some juice, go to the cupboard, get some snakes. Hey guys, I'm so sorry, but when you watch this, you should have alcohol by now, right? Like, you should have something to sip on. Oh, I'm not. Anyway, right then I moved in our first apartment. So this is our first apartment. We moved in on the 1st of February, and it's been really peaceful. It's been really great. There's so much we're learning about each other, our styles. And I think the one thing, when I talk about style, one thing I like is we are taking time to actually get things. I mean, of course, because of the lockdown as well, but we're drawing inspiration from different people, different pages. I've got like literally a Pinterest home decor page where I just collect all these things, different colors, how to set up certain things, what we would like, and I think that's really really nice, because these are the things, not that we didn't know about each other, but we never spoke about because we're at home and we're just relaxed, right? So when I asked her the other time, which we're actually going to record a video, she said, I must tell you guys, one tip is move out as soon as you can. I laughed at it, but then I thought about it. Move out as soon as you can, because then it teaches you responsibility, guys. Natural light. Look. Move out as soon as you can, because it does teach you responsibility. This video is just all over already, but anyway, we have had, so when we moved in, it was drama. Like, there was so much drama with us moving in the place. The place was a mess. It was dirty. There were cockroaches everywhere. It was like we couldn't even unpack. We didn't have a choice but to put in our things, because I mean, we had to move out from home. We couldn't unpack, and it was so disturbing. Like, the oven was disgusting. It was revolting. On top of the kitchen counters, it was a mess, to a point like we literally had to scrub everything, the walls, tiles, on top of the rugs. Literally, I was up there cleaning, scrubbing, got domestos, handy Andy, just disinfecting the entire place. We bought this other spray from Abomkozi. I don't know what Abomkozi is. The street marshal people who sell on the streets. They sell these cockroach thingies. We got some liquid. It's very strong. so we kept spraying, like at least we spray at least twice a month, or every after 3 weeks. We sprayed and try and disinfect, do a spring cleaning the entire apartment, get on the cupboards, scrub again, although there's nothing to scrub now. It's more of wiping down, you know, but disinfecting with your handy Andy and Domestos, and just to keep it fresh. And then we found there were so many things broken actually, right? So we're not supposed to hang anything on the walls because of course we're renting, but there were so many faults about the apartment which we actually didn't realize until we moved in. The sink was leaking, our toilet was leaking, there were holes in certain areas of the place, our cupboards, in closet space, there was just so much. And the frustrating thing is we've reported it, and people here take forever to respond, which was frustrating. And yeah, it's been frustrating, I don't wanna lie. But on the good side of it, you wake up at whatever time, and like guys, that's when you eat ukudla, it tastes different. Like it tastes so nice. I was telling her the other day, I'm like, yo, this mayo tastes really nice. Like it tastes different from food yasendlini, like I don't know if it's just me. Anyone who has an apartment or who lives by themselves, please let me know if you guys have recently moved, or like you don't live at home. Doesn't it taste different? Like the food you prepare at your house and the food you prepare at home, doesn't taste different? Like please comment down below and let me know, because I don't think I'm crazy, but like I feel like it tastes different. So another thing, now we drink cold alcohol. I posted about that. The reason we drink cold, we did not drink cold alcohol at home, was because my aunt used to judge us. Like she used to judge us. I remember last year we bought 24 flying fish each, ne? Mine, some of it, I think it's 12 Italy waterfall, then 12 I took it home for the weekends. And then literally Rato drank her entire 24 of flying fish hot, like no fridge. We didn't have a fridge in our room. We then bought 24 each year brutal fruits towards the end of the year. Woo, guys, it was a struggle. I struggled to go get ice, and then you just want to wake up and you don't want to see anyone, you know, you just want to stay in bed, but also just want to take something from the fridge. So like guys, literally it's been so nice. I've been cooking, I've been loving like literally my kitchen. It's been amazing. It's been so amazing. I've been trying so many new dishes, and I actually realized that I actually love cooking. At first I didn't. I think I hated where I don't like cooking when I'm forced to do it, or when I have to do it. I don't want that. I actually just want to do it, you know. So that's when I realized I'm just ready to be someone's wife. Like I'm just ready to be someone's mother, because like Rata can be a brat, guys. Like she'll wake up and she'll be like, oh wifey, I'm hungry, oh wifey, I'm tired. But I mean, I'll literally wake up and do food, prepare food for her, and it'll just be nice. So that's very nice about it. And we are slowly getting things. What we've done during the lockdown period, I don't know if by the time you watch this if lockdown will be done, but oh well. So during the first 21 days of lockdown, we actually, so every month we contribute money obviously for grocery and furniture. So there's a certain amount of money we take out for grocery, furniture and rent. So obviously we pay our rent, and then we have a list of things we want to get and when we want to get them, right? Like for example, let me just talk about the bed. This was our first purchase, was the bed. And then as time went by, we realized it's not really comfortable. So because we have the other room, we've decided we'll do in the later stage, or later this year, we'll take this bed in the other room and buy a new bed for our room, our main room, because we're sharing a room obviously. And then we've ordered things online, things we can't go buy and get at the store. We've ordered things on like couch. We've ordered getting a TV stand. Someone was asking me about a TV, on why don't you have a TV. Rat and I are not TV people. We literally don't watch TV at all. Like I don't know what happened. Like, we don't watch TV, we watch movies, watch Showmax and Netflix. So we have that on our laptops and on our phones. So for now, it's TV's like not a necessity at all. Like, it's not a necessity. So we've realized that that's like something we're gonna purchase like last, because yeah. And they were asking if we're gonna get DSTV. We're not getting DSTV because it's just a waste of money. We don't watch TV. Literally, the shows we watch on DSTV, they have on Showmax, you know. So why waste money, pay 1,000 rand plus on something we'll only use to watch 2 channels, and we can still get, if we can still get on Showmax. And Showmax we pay like, I don't know, 100 rand, I think. I'm not sure. Rato does finances on that. But yeah, and that's another thing. We've tasked ourselves to focus on certain things. So I mainly Rato and I focus together on grocery shopping because we both have different tastes and we have different things we like, and we also have priorities, you know, like our necessities, our essentials. So we write all those down first. So every time we go grocery shopping, there's a list. Toiletries, it's actually nicer now that toiletries, we buy toiletries together. At first we used to buy toiletries separately, but now we buy them together. We include them in our grocery list. So when I need toiletries at Waterfall, I take some of the toiletries here and take them to Waterfall, and then she stays with toiletries here, which is good. So groceries is combined. We combine our heads together. And then when it comes to internet, Netflix, Wi-Fi, Showmax, Rato takes care of that. And then rent, we both take care of it, but it depends on the month. Sometimes she sends money to me and then I pay, or I send money to her, and then just kanjalo. And then what else? Deco is all on me, but I consult her obviously because this is also her home. I also want to make her comfortable. Rato is very simple and she's a minimalist. Like, I'm very extreme when it comes to certain things, but then I've also realized that for now, because it's our new place, let's just get what we can and not spend so much money on unnecessary things. Plus, we don't have enough storage, so it gets really hard to actually buy things which I see on Pinterest and I'm like, oh, I want to put that, oh, I want that. It's really hard because our space is very, very small. And what else? Yeah, it's just been that. Hey, it's just been that. It's been chilled, guys. Tips is do it with someone you trust. I mean, that's a tip I have. Do it with someone you trust. Someone asked me why I did it with Rato. So Rato and I have had fights to a point we did not speak to each other probably for like 2 years, or if not more, right? And we managed to realize that at the end of the day, we need each other, you know. It might be for different reasons, but we do need each other and we can't really live apart, right? And we realize, we realize our faults and we managed to overcome all those things, talk about it and make peace from it, right? So Rato knows me in and out and I know her in and out. We share like the topics we even talk about, like the things we talk about are so sentimental. And I know I've actually said I was gonna move in with a few of my friends, but I also believe it was not the right time then, you know. God realized it was not the right time then, and we probably was not the right person at that time. So no offense to anyone, but like, just, you know, it was probably not the right time and not with the right person. Maybe because it was gonna hinder the friendship or the relationship I have with that person, you know. And I wouldn't have actually asked to do it with anyone different but Rato. So we grow together. Rato annoys me, I annoy her, I get on her nerves so much. But like when I have to go back to work, it's really bad. Like, guys, like we literally cry and we actually wonder, go to the day one of us decides to move out or gets married, you know. Obviously we won't live together, what's going to happen, but we'll cross the bridge when we get there. So yeah, it's just been that. It's been crazy, but I like it here. We're ready to move. Trust me guys, I'm ready to move. There's just so much drama. There's noise. There's noise. Like people were on lockdown and people are partying, but the view is beautiful. Like the view is beautiful. I love the view here. The only thing that makes us want to move is space, but it's something we're gonna look into a few years, not now, you know. So the space here is really small, and like kitchen, I want a bigger kitchen. I realized that I want a bigger kitchen. I want a bigger bedroom, obviously because of space and decor. Bathroom is a necessity. Like I want something big, so it's something we've spoken about. And furniture as well, what we're going to do with our furniture. I remember we had a sister and then she was asking, so when one of us leaves, what are we going to do with furniture? Won't we fight and say, oh, this is my fridge, oh this, no, hamba, you know, like bye. So that's why it's important to do it with someone who understands you and someone who won't be on your face with like small things like material stuff. You buy them, you use them, you buy new ones, so no stress about that. And what else? I think I've covered actually everything. I've covered everything. Yeah, so yes, we're planning to get, oh, I just said that we did purchase things online. We're just gonna get and like buy one, like side tables, because there's something we want to do with our side bedside things, and I don't know how we're gonna do it, but it does frustrate me because I'm the only one doing it. I tell her and she's just like, oh yeah. Okay, I think I'm rambling, and I know this video has been everywhere, but I hope you guys enjoyed it and you got to understand what we've been doing and how we've been living. Guys, do it as soon as possible. Budget for certain things. Don't rush to buy everything all at once. Don't buy unnecessary things. Don't buy expensive things which just because of the brand, they really don't matter. It's your place. As long as you're comfortable with it, it's yours. Oh, someone was asking why we haven't had guests yet. One, there's quarantine. Two, we haven't had a couch, and we didn't want to have housewarming because there's a certain style we want, you know. So we feared people are gonna bring us like things we really don't like, and then it's gonna be hard for us to say, we don't like them. But what we've done with our friends, some want to gift us with things. We've asked them to actually buy whatever they can and then give us a gift receipt, and then we can exchange those things if we don't want them, or if they don't go with the theme of the house, because we do have a theme. So yeah, so yeah, if you guys also want to send us something, that would be nice. Just comment down below and I will or DM me, and yeah, follow me on Instagram, DM me, and I'll give you all the details where to send stuff. But other than that, I'm happy, she's happy, we are happy, we are a family. We're starting our own traditions, which is really nice, guys. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm done rambling, guys. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you on my next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and of course click that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Stay blessed, and I'll see you on my next video. Cheers.